Hello everybody and welcome back to another video on the Lua Coder channel. This video I'll be retouching on the click detector to get a badge, because I did that video a very long time ago, like 8 years ago now, and I rewatched it and it was very bad, so let's just get rid of it entirely. Now let's get on to the new video. This video is not only gonna have click detector though, it's gonna have click detector, proximity prompt, and touch. Don't mind the cursor. So yeah, let me get this started. So basically, the click detector one is gonna have a click detector and a script, and in the script is gonna have local badge service equals game.getService badge service. This is gonna get badge service, which is what awards the badges basically. Local badge ID is your badge ID. It only works for your games too, by the way. You can't cross play it to another game either. You have to make it the game that you're on. Local player equals local player. This is going to find the local player for when you click it. Local part equals script.parent. So that's just the part. That's just the click part here. And local click detector equals part.click detector. Using part, we don't have to do script.parent. Instead, we can just do part. So basically, that's about it. This is the function. Click detector mouse click connect function player. Right? Badge service award badge. This is going to award it to the player, that user ID, and it's going to give you the badge ID. Instead of just plugging this in here, we use badge ID, and we just use that because it's the variable. And then we're going to print awarded. So let's try it out. See if it works. It does work. Okay, so it's time for the prompt one now. So you're going to need a proximity prompt instead of a click detector and a script. So the only changes here, and then local prompt equals part.proximity prompt, because we're no longer using a click detector. We can name this whatever we want though, it doesn't matter. We just have to find the click detector. I mean the proximity prompt. And the other difference is triggered. We're not going to do mouse click, we're going to do triggered. Let's try that one out. Yeah, we got it. So that's the proximity prompt one. Next is the touch one. Now this one is a lot more tricky, but it's alright. All you're going to need for this one is a script. So basically, the changes are no longer going to need to define the proximity prompt or the click detector or anything else. You're going to only need these 4 variables. And then for the function, it's going to be part.touch connect function hit. It's got to be hit. You know why? Let's explain the code. Alright, so here we are. So the click. So the hit, I mean. It represents the object that has touched the part. This is crucial for determining what is interacted with the part. So pretty much, it's whatever hit the part. So we're going to find the character from the hit's parent, and then a local humanoid from the character. This is so we can tell if it's a player or if it's just a random part. You see here, if humanoid then. This means if it was a random part do nothing. If it was humanoid, then award. So local touching player equals game.player get player from character, using this character right here from the hit, because that's the hit's parent. If touching player, then you're going to award the badge. This is the same thing except we're using touch player. So that's pretty much it. And then we're going to print awarded again. So then we touch. There we go. Alright, so pretty much that's about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is the 5th video on the channel, and the channel's been up for about 2 years. I just don't make many videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all later. Goodbye.